Hello everyone. I know you're not used to me doing webcam videos, but I felt like I wanted to do a webcam video today. So, today we'll be testing out the DX build driver from Kamen Rider Build. Here's what we're going to be doing. We're testing out every single transformation noise in the show from first character to last. I'll make sure to cover all the transformation noises, cover all the attack noises, and work our way from there. As far as best matches and power-ups go in Kamen Rider Build, I feel like those should be their own separate videos. But do not worry, I will get a chance to cover those. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first one up will be Kamen Rider Build Rabbit Tank Best Match.
Best match.
Are you ready? Okay, so that's the transformation noise. Now let's do the attack noise.
Ready, go! Vortex finish! Yay!
Okay, so that's rap. Next up, Kamen Rider Claws.
Cruise Dragon!
Are you ready?
Wake up, burning! Get close, dragon! Yeah!
Alright, now for the attack noise. Ready, go! Alright, so that's Kamen Rider. Okay, next up, Kamen Rider Grease. Robot Jelly. Gotta admit, I really enjoy this theme song. Alright, now for the attack noise.
Scrap finish!
And that's Kamen Rider Grease. Next up, Kamen Rider Mad Rogue. No, not Mad Rogue. I meant Rogue. My bad. I keep getting them confused. Danger! Crocodile! Alright, now for the attack noise. And now, my friends, is Kamen Rider Rogue. Alright, next up, we move on to Kamen Rider Evolved. One of the favorites in the series, alongside a few others. We'll get to them later on in this video. Cobra! Rider System Evolution! Oh, what the...
Are you ready? Cobra! Cobra! Evolve Cobra!
It's always followed by that demonic laugh he does. Now for the attack noise.
Ready, go!
Evoltech finish! Ciao! And that's Kamen Rider Evolved. Next up, we move on to Kamen Rider Mad Rogue, the second favorite of mine in this series. Komori! That's the dog. Evo match!
Are you ready?
Attack noise.
Ready, go!
Of course, even though it's apparently a Mad Rogue, it's still going to say Evo Tech Attack no matter which combination you plug in. I just want to give you guys a quick note for those of you who are unaware how the Evo driver works. But there you go, that's Kamen Rider Mad Rogue. Alright, now we move on to the third, and probably by far my most favorite out of all the villains in Kamen Rider. Kamen Rider Blood. Yes, I am.
Overflow! Wake up, get great dragon! Yahweh!
Now time for the attack.
Ready, go!
Well,
Hazard finish!
and that is Kamen Rider Blood. Moving on. Okay, moving on. Next up will be Night Rogue. Almost said Bloodstoke for a minute. Missed match. Now for the attack sound.
Steam break! Bad!
So usually it's steam break followed by another word after that, depending on what body you have plugged in. So there is Bloodstoke. No, I meant Night Rogue. There we go. That was a mistake I made again. Moving. Next up will be Bloodstoke. Another mismatch. Now for the attack.
Steam break, Cobra.
And that is Bloodstoke done. Moving on. Next up will be Gear Bros and Kaiser Reverse.
Gear engine. Funky. Engine running gear.
Now for the attack.
Funky drive. Gear engine.
There you go. That's Gear Bros and Reverse Kaiser. Kaiser Reverse. Moving on. Alright, now we're moving on to the other Gear Bro. It's remote control.
Gear Remocon.
Oh, it's Rebelcon.
Funky.
Rebelcorn. Observe the correct pronunciation.
Remote control gear.
Attack.
Funky drive. Gear Remocon.
That's Rebelcore. Done. Now it's time to use the two bottles again to create us Hell Bros and Bike Kaiser. First we take engine.
Gear engine.
Take it out. Put in remote control.
Gear Remocon. Funky match.
Funky match, it says. Perfect, it says. Now for the attack.
Funky finish.
There you go. That's Hell Bros and Bike Kaiser. Done. Moving on. Okay, last one, everyone. We're now doing Kill Bus. By far the fourth favorite of mine in the series.
Silver Spider.
Are you ready? Spider! Spider! Kill the spider! Okay, wow. Attack. Ready, go! Oh, wow.
Silver Spider finish.
There you go. That's Kill Bus. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stuff like this. And stay tuned because next time I'll be covering, or trying to cover, all of the best matches and both the Build Driver and the Evil Driver. And also make sure to stay tuned where I try out all of the upgrade forms for all the Kamen Riders. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!